Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. We continue the book Grammaire en dialogue, niveau débutant. We are on page 16, yes, 16 with the grammar part of the lesson 4. Prendre. This is another important verb that is really important and you must keep it in your mind, the conjugation. And it is the same to take. This is to take. In English language, as you already know, we have so many phrases we take in English language, especially when you're going to say about the transportation, the public transportation. You use take to take a bus and to take the train, to take the subway, and here also we have the same with prendre. The pronunciation is prendre. This is the second type of the verb, so you must memorize the conjugation. There is no rule for it. Prendre. La forme affirmative. Some people say that there are some rules, but as I told you before in the previous videos, I classified the verbs in three important categories. The first one has some rules. They are ended in OR. The second was you must memorize them. They are memorizable. And the third one is related to the verb. Les verbes pronominaux that I will teach you them in next part of the book. Prendre, to take. La forme affirmative, la forme négative. Je prends. The pronunciation, be careful about the pronunciation and pay attention. Je prends, je prends. Don't say je prends. Je prends. D and S is not pronounced at the end of the word. Je prends, je prends. Tu prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, on prend, but without S at the end. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, on prend. All the first three, first person, second person, and third person are pronounced prend. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, on prend. Nous prenons, nous. Okay, make them together. Nous. Don't say nous prenons. Nous prenons, nous prenons. Vous prenez, ils prennent, elles prennent. Pronounced it prennent. Again, je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, on prend. All of them prend. Nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent, elles prennent. La forme négative, je ne prends pas, tu ne prends pas, il ne prend pas, elle ne prend pas, on ne prend pas, nous ne prenons pas, vous ne prenez pas, ils ne prennent pas, elles ne prennent pas. Même conjugaison pour apprendre, reprendre and comprendre. Apprendre means to learn, reprendre means to retake, comprendre means to understand. So all of these three verbs are pronounced, are conjugated like the verb prendre, the infinitive prendre. So j'apprends, tu apprends, il apprend, elle apprend, on apprend, nous apprenons, vous apprenez, ils apprennent, elles apprennent. Or comprendre, for example, je comprends, tu comprends, il comprend, elle comprend, on comprend, vous comprenez, nous comprenons, vous comprenez, ils comprennent, elles comprennent. Guys, you can go through the dictionary and write these infinitives, and after that the dictionary will give you the conjugation. There are some also pronunciation for them. It's easy to tell because if I want to write all of them, it's real. The video will make the video is going to be more and more longer. I don't want to do this. Il prend. Now the collocations with prendre. For now here, as I told you at the beginning of the video, it is used for public transportations or any kind of transportations. Il prend le bus. So prendre le bus means to take the bus. Prendre prendre, yeah, prendre le bus, to take the bus. Il prend le bus. He takes the bus. For example, you can say that je prends du bus. Pardon, je prends le bus means that I take the bus. Je prends le métro, or il prend le métro. Metro means subway. Il prend le train, or je prends le train, train. Je prends l'avion, the airplane. Je prends un taxi, or il prend un taxi. He takes a taxi. So prendre le bus, prendre le métro, prendre le train, prendre l'avion, prend le taxi, or prend un taxi. Elle prend rendez-vous avec le médecin. Prendre rendez-vous. Rendez-vous means a meeting, an appointment. Prendre rendez-vous means to take an appointment. Et elle prend rendez-vous avec le médecin. He takes, or she takes an appointment with the doctor, with the general practitioner, for example. Je prends des photos. Prendre des photos. You can write these phrases in your notebooks to review them all the time. Je prends des photos. Prendre des photos means to take the photographs, to take the photos. Je prends des photos de mon bébé. I take some photos from or of my baby. Mon bébé, je prends des photos de mon bébé. Les étudiants prennent, because les étudiants, they are ils. It is instead of les étudiants, you can put ils. So ils prennent. Les étudiants prennent. It's a plural noun. Les étudiants prennent des cours de français. Prendre des cours de français, prendre des cours d'anglais, prendre des cours d'italien. To take or to do a course of French. To take a course of French. Les étudiants prennent des cours de français. The students take the course of French. Vous ne prenez pas de dessert. Vous ne prenez pas de dessert. Here, guys, prendre means to have, to eat. Vous ne prenez pas de dessert means that you don't have dessert. You don't have dessert. You don't eat dessert. The sentence also is negative, and this do is and this is the preposition that I told you. We use it in negative sentences. For example, j'ai un bébé, j'ai un frère, mais je n'ai pas de frère, je n'ai pas de voiture. So, vous ne prenez pas de dessert si. Guys, whenever you have a negative question, in the response of the negative question, if your response is positive, you must say si. For example, vous n'êtes pas étudiant. Vous n'êtes pas étudiant. You are not a student. Si means that you say si because your response is positive. Okay, because you are a student. So you see it's a positive response. It's a positive response when you have a negative question. Si je prends une tarte au citron. Tarte means it is tart, and citron means the lemon. So une tarte au citron, it's a lemon tart. Je prends, I eat une tarte au citron, a tart of lemon, or a lemon tart. Si, I told you right now, si is la réponse positive. C'est la réponse positive. It's a positive response after une question négative, after a negative question, as I told you right now. Guys, I will finish the video here, and I will make another video for this part to be easy to understand. Good day.